Hello everyone, my name is Nemanja Živković and today I'm using chesswithnarik.com to record this video. Also I want to inform you that we already published our new platform chess.ai, so you can visit it, there is a lot of new features inside. And every week we have free webinars on both platforms, so chesswithnarik.com and also chess.ai. Today also we will discuss about this position on the board. Topic is creating weaknesses, so we will try to find the best option how to continue with black pieces. Okay, so let's see. When we check this whole position, you can see that black has a bishop pair right now, and both bishops are very solid, control a lot of important squares in the center. Black has 3 pawn islands and white has 2 pawn islands. So when we just check right now our pawns, pawn chains, white has slightly better position if you just check pawns. And we will see how, to continue here in the center with black, or maybe on a side to create a weakness. Okay. First of all, we will check few options in the center, and later I will tell you what should be best option. Let's start. For example, if we push pawn on d5, so if we play this first move, of course this move is not that good, because after this move they can simply capture this pawn, no matter how we recapture in the center with bishop, with rook, or maybe with our pawn. Almost always they can capture c5 pawn because they put a lot of pressure there. So let's say if we take with the bishop, rook c5 is coming, and if we move our bishop somewhere, they can just simply collect our queen, and right now he'll just be up exchange. Here also, if we capture with the rook, he can just move queen somewhere, let's say queen to e3, or maybe queen c2 is also possible. What's the point right now? We have big problems with our pawn structure. Right now 4 pawn islands, and of course very simple position for white. We have very big problems with our pawns. Also, of course, if we capture with pawn immediately, that's of course bad, because he can simply just collect this pawn on c5. So of course pawn to d5 is not the best option. Also, if we try to play e5, looks like a natural option, because later maybe we will try to push our pawn in the center more. On a first glance, as you can see right now, after this move we have a very big hole on d5. So right now, of course, he has this very solid move for white. Bishop g5 threatens rook, and when we move our rook somewhere, so let's say rook to d7, or yeah, we have to play, I think, rook d7 to control our pawn on d6. Right now he can just improve his knight, and later he'll have amazing square for his knight in the center, or maybe knight d5. So once again, this is not best option for black. Okay, let's go back to see what should be good option. Potential, yeah, if we have already our pawn on h6, very solid option for us will be g5 and g4. But that's not possible in this position, because right now, let's say if we play h6, of course white can just simply capture. If we play g5 immediately, it's a free pawn, and also if we want to play bishop to f6 to support our pawn on g5 and g4 later to open up this long diagonal for our piece, that's not possible, because white can just simply play g4, and after that, he can simply chop our queen. So what is the best option here for black? As you can see, creating weakness is a topic, so this is a first move. What's the point behind this move? We want to push our pawn, it's minority attack, this one pawn against these 2 pawns. We want to push our pawn to a4 and to destabilize this side of the board. First of all, we exchange our bad pawn, and also after that we will open up this side of the board, maybe make some weaknesses on a queen side. Also right now this is not possible for him to capture our pawn on d6, because we can just simply play bishop f8. Let's say they play something, maybe bishop in the center or knight to c3. Pawn here, if they capture, of course that's very bad for them, because after that we will capture with the rook, and we threatens these 2 pawns. Or if they wait there, so no matter how they continue, we will just capture his pawn, and this is at least equal position for black. Maybe black is slightly better. Later maybe we will, you know, think about it somehow to push in the center and to open up this position more.